don't bite.
Geico. And then this look at Roddy.
Look at Roddy.
Wait, can you put me up on this thing? Dang, it's a whole bunch of them in there. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Guys, look how much a turtle costs. A turtle is
Oh no.
$249.
Is this timer or something?
There's the turtle in there.
What?
Birds are born. They just.
Why is there a bullseye in my house?
Roddy, you like a bird?
They can fly and they get used to fly. They fly back in their cage.
Where's the kind that
I
talk?
want to buy another one. I want to buy another pet.
What is that?
Hey, look at this. Why do you look like a little rhino face?
We don't need that one.
You don't like
You don't
these?
like this goldfish? This tank right here, Riley?
Nice, look.
Oh, that one.
Oh, look at the big goldfish. You know, they probably don't have any more. Is that the big ones?
No. Shiny shark looks like this.
Riley.
These are the big ones. These are the big ones. Plus, there's others or something.
This is so neat.
Then I tell you the one we have goldfish big.
Go
like
big,
this.
yeah.
They grow big. But you got to put them in a bigger tank for them to grow.
So this one right here, these little, they're only $7.
Oh, see? She can get them, but they're good. But you got to get
Oh,
them.
yeah.
If you
It's
put
not
them in
gonna
big-
eat it?
They ain't going to grow in the middle.
That's what I know.
Eat each other.
Oh, okay. Well, we could get our own rocks and stuff.
What is that one right there? That one probably.
I don't want like that would filter the water by itself because that's how they die when we change it. Oh yeah, look it's filtered water.
Yeah, power filter, yeah. We just changed it.
You just change that so that way we don't have to change their temperature.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you could put sriracha, guppies. Yeah, it come with. So it come with the LED light on this one.
So that's cool.
Internal filter, yeah.
And then we
extra
can-
small cartridge.
That one kind of small though. That's so cute, right? No, that's $17. We could get one accessory, the rocks, and the thing.
Okay, this is a little thing.
It looks
Mama.
pretty little, huh?
You could get
Mama.
That one, but this one
Mama.
filter, that's why.
Mama.
That's how they do it.
Mama, this is really something.
Right, see, we take you places, you like to just keep going on.
You don't mind, they real small, the fish.
Yeah, they fit in there.
That's big enough, yeah.
They in that little
That's
bag
real
right here. Girl, you ain't gonna hold that, Riley.
Yes, she will.
Is it right, Mama?
No.
Hold it.
If I turn
Mama,
it up,
tell the people to hold it.
look at the cute turtle.
Tell the people to hold it.
Riley is so cute on the turtle. Yeah, it could fit on her. What's the name? How much? This one only 20? It's not a filter though.
That's not 20.
Ah,
The master on there.
look here, they got some. Just one though.
You only can get one. You want one of them?
They got the neon green.
They glow fresh. They glow.
Oh, they so cute.
Oh, they glow.
That's why they look like that.
They glow. They glow. You want one of them?
Yes.
You want to get you one little pink one?
I'll sit to the tether.
No, you can't pet fish.
Why?
These look like little bumblebees.
The yellow ones?
Yeah, the yellow and black ones. Those look really nice.
Mama.
Wow. But we're going to get a
Mama,
pink one.
I want the pink one, please.
Okay, let's.
The
Where the
purple one.
Sweaters or something.
Because I know.
So this is the stuff that we got Riley for her fish. And then this, hold on, baby. And then this is the fish tank. No. Are you gonna take care of your fish?
Yeah, but then we really show them my other stuff. Please give it to me.
Stop!
I'm saying the line and then show them my other
Get out
stuff.
the way. Get out the way.
It said to clean this stuff, so we're gonna clean it before putting it inside of the thing. And then she got this cute little flowers and stuff.
In your top drawer.
And yeah. So we'll show you guys the finished product. Not the finished product, but what it looked like after we set everything up inside of the fish tank. It's so cute. So inside of the fish tank, it came with some samples of food and the conditioner and stuff like that. Oh, it do gotta be plugged up. Whatever. So clean out, rinse out the what is this thing called? Fish tank. Like any dust or debris from just sitting in the store. And just soak that stuff. Mamas, are you so excited? What's wrong with you, child?
Yeah, but not and my whitefish.
Girl, what did the people say? All right. So today I'm gonna show y'all how to make a 30-minute.
I said freshwater fish. You can put them in there.
Right. So I'm gonna show y'all how to make a 30-minute chili bean. I use bell pepper, red onion, celery, ground turkey, tomatoes, beans, and cornbread on the side. So first, rinse off and cut up the veggies, okay? Now that you got your veggies chopped up, put them inside a pot with a little oil and let them get soft. So that's what I'm about to do. So we're gonna use a little bit of oil. Let it get hot. Let it get hot.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna look at my phone.
Okay. So, alright. So now this has been cooking for like 10 minutes and it smells so good. So they're pretty soft. So now I'm gonna put in no good.
You got no more cash with it?
So now I'm going to add in the diced tomatoes. I think 1 can should be fine because Roddy don't really like tomatoes. So I'm gonna stir this in. Look at that. This is chili by itself. Like I haven't even added any chili. This is just the regular the ground beef cooked down with some seasonings, the tomatoes. And to get it thick like this, like you have to let it cook. I let this meat cook for like 20 minutes on a low. So yeah, they look really yummy already. So now I'm gonna add in the potatoes. I'm gonna add in the pinto beans now. So now I'm gonna add the beans. I did drain the liquid because I don't want any of that. So we're just gonna add in the beans. Okay. Now I'm gonna add in just half of this can. I don't need that many. It's a few, because it's like more of a texture thing. So half of that can. And then just stir it in.
You don't just eat these like crazy. You get 1 in the morning.
So there it is. 30 minutes chili beans. And they're gonna be so good. I'm gonna make a pan of cornbread. Okay. 30 minutes, simple, easy. And we'll eat this for 2 days because this is a really big pot. But I'm gonna send some to Curtis' daddy. I'm gonna ask my mom to shoot my son. What? go here and find the mustard. What's wrong with it?
Oh, you smooth it. Make it smooth. Smooth it up.
Like in the bowl?
Yeah, make it flat. Smooth it.
Sit on your chair.
That's wet.
Watch out, Robert.
Put the palm. Make sure it's smooth. Letting it.
What's going, Riley? Put your flowers in.
Huh? Come on. You warm out your hands with wet. And you play.
You can wash your hands afterwards. Where you gonna put that at?
That gotta go flat. Put dig a hole. Yeah.
Let me do it.
Other corner.
Okay, how I put these like right there and like right there. So
No, don't put them all over the place. Some in the back. Would you cover that outside? Only one fish gonna be able to fit in it.
how only one fish?
Oh, here.
Oh, that's an empty.
No, I don't even know why you fit these. The rocks is the same.
No, it's not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You think it look pretty, Riley?
Yes, I like my 2 little goldfish tanks. You running the tassel.
What
It gotta be water in it, sweetie.
You gonna wet it first.
Those gems gonna float.
Right, you gotta push them in.
They gonna sink.
Wait till I finish. They're not gonna sink. You gotta push them in that sink. You didn't even need those.
I do one in there.
Oh,
Though.
they going to the bottom. They fine.
Oh, where you put the filter at?
Yeah, the filter go on the top.
Oh, Riley, it look pretty.
My 2 little goldfish tanks.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and Mama, let me tell you something.
What?
This is the place they want to sleep inside their tassel they tank.
Yeah.
Because look, it's a tiny hole for the 2 fishes.
Yeah.
One more testing, Mama.
What, baby?
I want to eat inside this toast and then take a bath, okay?
Stop. What's their name?
Princess and Sadove.
And what's the other one name?
We'll put that in the
Both of them is princess.
put that in the trash.
It's gonna overflow.
It's fine.
So we let it sit for 20 minutes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What time is it?
Watch out, Riley.
Riley, look. Get this stuff from there. Crayons and stuff.
The lady at the Petco said to put the bag that the fish came in. These are the fish that she won on Halloween. Sit it in the water for 20 minutes and then just let them be in there. So they could get used to the room temperature or whatever she said. So we're just gonna wait, and then once the 20 minutes up, we'll take it up. Oh, excuse me. Once the 20 minutes up, then we'll let them out into the fish bowl. Oh, they so cute, Riley. Are y'all ready to go inside your new home? Feel okay? You like your new home?
Yeah,
That's so
they
cute.
like it. Riley, they in there.
They like it.
Where the other one at? See, they like to hide.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Where else they at?
The one right there.
What? They is way back there.
Where the other one at?
He's right here in pink shit.
Paint it tight and put it at the top.
Yeah. One more because it's 2 of them.
On top. See, you wasted stuff.
Good job. Now that's it. Now you feed them every other day, huh, Curtis?
Yeah, they don't need to feed you every day.
It's
They-
every
Why would
other
they
day.
go all the way to
Do they
the
see
top and eat it?
They gonna see
It's
you.
gonna come down.
See the
It's
food.
all done. Is it pretty,
Look, the food
Riley?
going down. The food going down.
The internet.
Yeah, it's going down. They see it.
They eating it.
Wow.
Mother, Mama,
What?
why do a fish be trying to eat the rocks or something?
They don't.
Why though?
They're not eating the rocks.
Call your grandma, Riley,
Why?
Sure.
to show her.
So we say,
It's Sister Talk.
All right, y'all. Comment down below if you think Riley picked out a good, pretty house for her new fit. Ooh, Riley with the light up is so pretty. Close those curtains so her other stuff can light up. Close her window too. She be cold in the morning.
Oh, but like the fish is lighting up.
Oh, y'all see her stars on her wall?